Crypto can change your life if you do this full cycle correctly, but not in the way that you think. I don't mean making multiple millions of dollars and being able to retire drinking pina coladas in a beach in the Bahamas. The amount of money needed to change your life is a lot less than you think. It could be as little as $10,000 or even $50,000. And it's extremely important for you to understand why, because it will change your entire investing strategy. The amount of money needed to change your life is subjective to your lifestyle. It's the amount that you need to obtain something, build something, create something, true life-changing events. And I know this because crypto changed my life and the amount wasn't crazy. In 2019, I started this YouTube channel. I was obsessed with crypto. Anytime I could find a free minute, I would be learning about crypto. And I loved it so much that I wanted to go full time, but there was a problem. I was living in New York City, one of the most expensive cities in the world. There was no way I could quit my job and go do YouTube full time. How would I pay bills? How would I buy food? How would I pay my rent? So I continued working, and any free time I had, I would learn about crypto, I would invest, I would make videos. And eventually by 2020, I saved enough in crypto and cash that I now had the opportunity to go full-time YouTube, even though I didn't make a single penny from YouTube at that time. The money I had wasn't enough to go buy a private jet or to retire, but it was enough to make a true life-changing decision. It gave me the ability to go full-time crypto and full-time YouTube without having to worry. Everything about my life changed: where I could live, what I do every day, the freedom that I had. And for you, this could mean paying off college debt, paying off your mortgage, paying for an engagement ring, moving to a new city, the ability to take your side hustle to full-time with some cushion. These things don't cost multiple millions of dollars. Sometimes they cost as little as $10,000 or $20,000. So many people in this space are looking for generational wealth. They're looking for life-changing money, but they're looking at it in the wrong way. If you only view life-changing money as making millions of dollars, well, you're going to have to take more risk, taking larger amounts of capital and putting them into lower market cap coins, which are higher risk. And typically this ends with many losing everything. Your plan was to level up, but in the end, you level down. It doesn't make sense. The first step to life-changing money is figuring out exactly what event or opportunity would change your life for the better. Figure out how much it costs, and then tailor your investing strategy to obtain that amount. You can't stop someone who knows where they're going. For example, if this life-changing amount for you is $50,000 and you have $10,000 to invest, you don't have to go crazy. You don't have to throw that money into high-risk 100x coins. It can be as simple as taking that money and putting it into the bigger cap coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and AVAX. Many of these bigger cap coins can do a 5x or beyond, but if we have the same person in a similar situation, but instead they want to make $100,000 with initial $10,000 to start, they may change that strategy, maybe 60 to 70% into the bigger cap coins, then maybe 20% into mid cap coins, and the remaining 10% into high risk opportunities. The thing is, there is no perfect portfolio. There's only the perfect portfolio for you based on your income, your lifestyle, and your exact goals. When you join my community, we start with a one-on-one call to set up a personalized game plan for you to meet your needs for this bull cycle. I'll leave a link for the community down below. Don't focus on making as much money as possible without a goal in sight. Focus on the life-changing event and figure out how much does it cost. Then, knowing this, figure out how much capital you have to invest and what types of coins or strategy is needed to get you to your specific amount. For most of you watching, I'm almost sure this life-changing amount is not $10 million. It could be as little as $10,000 or $50,000. And this is very possible this bull cycle.